call today, John, is something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea with you. Got a minute? Name of the company, Aerotine International. It is a cutting-edge, high-tech firm out of the Midwest.
The current state of social media marketing is a weird one to say, because previously the way things worked is you would either start cold DMing, cold emailing, cold calling, or ad campaigns, but it's getting more expensive with social media marketing because cold DMs or anything cold related isn't typically working anymore, because apart from maybe cold emailing, but cold calling, you don't want to cold call because it used to work previously, but now basically everyone's busy, and randomly calling people offering to change their business ain't really gonna work. They're just gonna think you're trying to scam them. And cold DMing is pretty much the same thing, like texting or sending a bunch of messages to random companies or individuals. Most people, like in 2024, think that's just a scam or something. The question now arises, what do you do? Because the best way, I would say, of getting clients right now with social media marketing is using ads, but it's expensive, especially if you're just starting out, you're high school or you're a teenager. You can't spend huge amounts of money on. So what do you do in such a situation to get clients? And getting clients is a really difficult thing, because I was watching a video recently about Iman, and it showed that most of his business were not as profitable as he claimed they were. So that just shows how difficult it is even for these gurus or masters to find clients themselves. So the question now is, how do we find clients for a social media marketing agency? Well, the best way right now I would suggest is through content creation. That is the best way I would suggest, because with content creation, it's basically free marketing or free advertising, depending on how many eyeballs you catch. So if, let's say, you want to market your agency to get clients, so you're gonna go on YouTube and create content there, and the content could be how you improved a certain customer business, how to write scripts, stuff like that. And basically in your content you include a call to action, leading potential clients who may want you to manage their business to go and check out your social media marketing agency. If you get a lot of views, you might potentially have 10 clients in those views, rather than paying thousands of dollars for advertising, and you may not even get clients then. But with this method, it's free advertising for your social media marketing agency, and you can diversify your content on all different platforms. You can create content on X, you can create content on IG or Instagram, you can create content on Facebook and TikTok. So you can diversify to increase your reach and land better clients, rather than advertising or rather than cold DMing and all that shit, because people are just gonna think you're trying to scam them. So this is the best way, I would say, moving forward, or in 2024, getting clients, because it's probably gonna change. This method may not even work in the next couple of months. This model is the best, I would say, for moving forward with social media marketing. If you enjoyed this video, click like, subscribe, share the video, and if you want more information, join my Telegram, link in the description or bio. I'm also active on X. You can contact me there if you need anything. Thanks for watching. Peace.
I'll make it all come true. I'll make